Hi all, I've been getting some questions about how to step into a shot with the foot placement. I'm right-handed and the way I aim my shots are with my right foot and the right side of my hip. I use the right side of my hip as a guide since my cue is going to be on that line. So I step on the shot line with my right foot feathered out a little just to get the hip out of the way. And then I step into my shot with my left foot being parallel to the shot. My feet are about shoulder length apart to keep the stability. Here's another good view. I just step into the shot on the line with my right foot feathered out a little to get my hip out of the way. I step into the shot with my left foot parallel to the shot. And then I get down on the cue ball on my line. My cue stick never comes off the line as I'm using it as a guide with my hip and my foot to get on the line, and then I step into the shot. You can see I have a half ball hit on this one ball, and I'm just dropping my cue stick straight down on the line using my hip as a guide. Here's another view on this 8 ball, another half ball hit. I'm using my hip side to get on the line. I'm stepping my right foot onto the shot line. My cue never comes off the line.